Hi guys, I'm James Davis from Circle Buick GMC. I'm going to show you the many functions of the 2020 Sierra MultiPro Tailgates. First function, just like any other truck, you have the fold option where it folds the tailgate completely down. You also have the ability with the top button here to just fold down the half portion of the tailgate and then utilize it as an extension to your bed. You can also fold it for a step. To then utilize your handle that you have over here to step up into the bed. That's the MultiPro Tailgate. Come check us out at circleautomotive.com. You can see all the different options that we have for the 2020 Sierra, including the all-new turbo diesel that we offer.